I have been waiting for this day. Welcome back, Elock Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. I've been waiting for this day. Today is my winter sowing reveal. And these are my peppers. These are my jalapeno peppers, beefsteak, Rutgers, and Roma, San Marzano, the mugwort, St. John's wort. This is the straight 8 cucumber. Yeah, they're ready to come up out of here. Thai basil. That's valerian. This is cilantro. Got to get it out of here. It's looking rough. Straight neck squash. This is the straight 8 cucumber. Mushroom basket tomato. This is cumin, lupin, flour. So we got to get this out of here. Baby doll pink dianthus. And I'm not going to bore you by opening all of these just yet, but as you can see, there are positive results here. These are ground cherries, yellow coreopsis. So you can see there's germination there. And this is valerian. You can see germination in there as well. Leisure pepper, and you can see that yes, there is germination there. Sweet alyssum, and there's germination there. We have hyssop, purple hyssop, and there's germination there. Milkweed, yarrow, and you can see that there is germination there. This dried up. It probably didn't get enough water and I didn't check it. You can clearly see that it germinated and it was thriving at one point. It is my responsibility to make sure that it's being watered. That's my fault. It did germinate, it did its job. The good thing is I have mugwort here. I wasn't sure how that one was going to do, but it actually came back really nicely. This is columbine, and we see there is germination there. Thyme, germination. Oh no, my French tarragon, again, I'm going to add some water. It may actually, I still see some green bits in there. It just needs water. So I'm going to water this and hopefully it will bounce back. All of the flowers that we planted together over the winter. So those all did well. I'll open those in a minute. I will show you these once they are planted out. I'm going to show you what those look like. And here's what has not germinated. No germination on the basil. Nothing in there yet. It doesn't mean it won't do it though. It just could be late. There's some germination going on in here. No germination on this. They could still wake up. That's the thing. You never know. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Oh, there's a little something in there. Jamaican sorrel. We'll see. I'm just going to leave it there. Nothing yet. It may or may not. And nothing yet on the onion, which I wanted to test that. I've never winter sown onions before. Lemongrass did not. Nothing on the morning glory. The butter squash did germinate. Yeah. Weird weather. Same thing happened with the zucchini. It woke up and then we dipped down overnight into the 30s and it took it out. So with winter sowing, it definitely works, but you win some and you lose some as well. Sometimes it's bad seeds. Sometimes it's weather conditions. These things happen. Here's some straight neck squash. I had to pop this open because it was bursting out of this milk jug. Yeah, so these are my winter sowing results. I'm going to get these things planted out and I'll bring you back. Oh, the broccoli didn't do anything as well. But I have some growing indoors hydroponically. I'm good. And these seeds may very well wake up again. Once it gets really consistently warm out here, it may wake up.
She don't play with the plants. Got dirt in her nails. From seed to the skillet, every meal tells tales. Hydro glowing while the weather stay wild. She the garden queen, hood raised earth child. Fresh greens popping and the peppers on deck. Tomatoes so ripe, make the sun say check. Wind down vibes, she pouring it smooth. Talk truth, drop gems, got that grown woman groove. Young and tender, she don't fake that. Grow it from the root, then she plate that. OCD chick, better state that. E-lock rolling deep, can't break that. Young and tender, bringing that flame. From the dirt to the dish, she changing the game. Hydro locked in, ain't nothing the same. E-lock nation, remember the name. Yo, yeah, tech, she don't follow, she leads.
Okay, I want to plant these deep. Have been burying kitchen scraps, so there's plenty of nutrients for the plants to feed off of. That's what I do all winter long. I feed my soil kitchen scraps in the ground as well as in grow bags. See the worm? So the worms are in here. They're feeding. So I'm just gonna scoot it out the way because I don't want to hurt it. This is the beef steak. So I'm removing all of these lower leaves. So you want to bury it deep.
She don't play with the plants. Got dirt in her nails. From seed to the skillet, every meal tells tales. Hydro glowing while the weather stay wild. She the garden queen, hood raised earth child. Fresh greens popping and the peppers on deck. Tomatoes so ripe, make the sun say check. Wind down vibes, she pouring it smooth. Talk truth, drop gems, got that grown woman groove. Young and tender, she don't fake that. Grow it from the root, then she plate that. OCD chick, better state that. E-lock rolling deep.
Here I planted out the San Marzano tomatoes. Gave them some water and mulched them with pine needles. Yellow straight neck squash. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.